Friends, welcome back to True Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use spell check in Google Docs. So if you're inside Google Docs, guys, and you have any word that you want to spell check, it's very easy to do. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply make an arrow for a specific word. Let's say I type the word name with, for example, an extra E here, and let's say I want to go ahead and spell check it. Now how do you do that? Simple, I highlight the word and you want to look towards the upper left hand side where you have the printer icon. Right next to it, it's a it's spelling and grammar check. If you click on that, it's going to pop up and it's going to also highlight, and you can look towards the right hand side that it's using the spelling and grammar check here, and it basically give you the correct spelling. All you have to do is simply click and accept, and it will change it for you. There's also a shortcut to do it. So if you highlight the text, if you hover over again that spelling and grammar check, you can use the Control Alt and X. Now I'm gonna press the Control Alt and X on my keyboard, and you can see that it also check it for me, but there's no problem. So let's go ahead and try a different word. So let's say I use the word I instead of Y for company, and I highlight that. I can simply press Control Alt and X, and you can see that it pops up and basically provide me the correct spelling, right? So I can go ahead and I can accept that. You can also ignore it if you want, but once you press accept, it will make the correction for you. And that's it, guys. That's how you can easily use the spelling and grammar check. You can also do it for entire paragraph. If you write something and it's not grammatically correct, you can simply highlight the entire document or the entire paragraph and go ahead and use the spelling and grammar check, and it will basically check to see if there's any error detected. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.